I'm Cathy O'Shia with New Age Industrial. Today I'd like to talk to you about laying out your dry storage. Many of us have different areas of dry storage in our facilities. They can be small, they can be large. You still want to maximize your storage. So at New Age we offer a lot of options and a lot of different things that you can do to maximize that. We have our cantilevered shelving, which is adjustable shelving. The advantage in this shelving is that there's no post in the front. There's 30% more storage because you're just sliding it on and off. There's no post to prohibit how you move your products. What shelving you use is determined by the product you're putting on. So your heavy duty products on the bottom, the T-bar is for a little bit lighter weight, smaller boxes. The top is for loose items, small things, jars, containers, different things that are smaller that that are easier to put up top, lighter weight. We also have our adjustable shelving. This has the same type of setup, but it does have the post. We've got the heavy duty, more weight bearing shelves on the bottom. Then we have the T-bar, which allows you a little more fluidity on the products that you move in and out because it lets the product slide, the smaller boxes slide in and out easier. Then the top one is the example of the solid shelving, which we use for loose items or smaller items. One of the ways that we at New Age can help you with designing your layout on your storage is by working with our engineering department. So we'll get your dimensions on your facility or your space, and then we'll get with engineering and lay out the drawing so that you can have a visual. We can do an elevation drawing and we'll maximize the space in that way. In this graphic you can see a dry storage area where the shelving is laid out using our cantilevered shelving. To maximize the storage, we'll figure out how many units can fit in the space. We allow for the spacing of the common uprights, etc. Oftentimes we can add dunnage racks for additional storage if there is space for that. We have to allow for the aisle and the space for the customer to maneuver inside the storage area. They have to be able to get their boxes, their cans, their containers, whatever they're storing in and out of the area. So we have to allow for space for aisle. So what we'll do is do this flat overhead drawing that shows you the dimensions on the shelving, the type of shelving, location, etc. So that pretty much helps the customer look at the drawing, decide if that works for their type of layout or what they're looking to store, and then they can order the shelving based on the dimensions and everything provided in the drawing. Now you can vary the shelving. You can put cantilevered, you can put adjustable. We also have fully welded shelving. If you need secure storage or you're in a correctional facility and need storage, we can create fully welded in any size and dimension. Lastly, I want to remind you that we also have security fence. Well, you can do that in any dry storage area. We make them in L-shaped configurations, any kind of configuration that you need. So that's always an option if you're looking for secure storage. Like all of our products, we can create a custom item for you. We have lots and lots of standard options, but we're happy to create any custom item for you that will meet your needs more efficiently and effectively. For more information, you can reach us at sales@newageindustrial.com or check out our website, newageindustrial.com.